Bob. Oh, yeah, I heard you guys talking on here, and I wanted to shout out to see if I could be heard. And I hear Michael really well from Iowa there, and the guy from Lansing, and evidently we got some ducking going on.
Yeah, KD8OHS.
Definitely really well. I'm thinking about going up to Cadillac for Peter, see if I can get up there and talk to some guys up there. And so what I might do, I think I'll back out of here and OHS, go ahead. Why don't you give me that station in Iowa, WTE. Michael, give him a shout, and we're going to go up to the Cadillac repeater and see if we can hook up there. So with that, we'll get out of here for a little bit. KD8QIJ, good talking to you, Michael. You have a very nice weekend coming up, and hopefully you're not going to get much snow this winter. KD8QIJ, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Go ahead, Michael.
Thank you, Bob, and take care. Yeah, who knows, we may never talk again on 2 meters, but this has been a fantastic morning for a band opening, and I appreciate the comeback. KD8QIJ, this is KD0WTE, over to KD8OHS, I believe it is. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Well, good morning, Michael. Yeah, this is Frank, and I live in Lowell, about 15 miles east of Grand Rapids, Michigan here. And I heard you guys talking. I thought I'd just go in there and say hi to you. And this is the first ducking contact I've ever made.
Oh, wow. Well, yeah, the duct is definitely there, and it's about 350 miles for me from the repeater, give or take a few. So, very good. Pleasure to make your acquaintance. I heard all the 8 calls coming in. I was actually spinning the VFO down to hear if I could see if I could hear a beacon from Wisconsin on 2 meter FM. It's in CW mode, but I can copy it in FM as static bursts. But yeah, Frank, this is really good. The repeater's holding in there steady at full scale, 20 over. In fact, since it's so strong, I might be able to go QRP and still make it in. That would be fantastic. That'd be, 5 watts for 350 miles. So if you're game for it, Frank, I'll turn down my power and see if you can still copy. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah, QSL, that'd be great. Yeah, you're coming in here way 5'9" and great audio. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Yeah, go right ahead, turn it down, and see if I can copy it.
Okay, this is 5 watts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watts. Kilo Delta 8, Oscar Hotel Sierra. This is Kilo Delta 0, Whiskey Tango Echo. Echo November 41, Bravo Whiskey. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. Did you copy all?
Yes, we've got you a solid copy. You're down just a little bit. There's a little bit of static there, but solid copy, and it sounds really good. You said it's only 5 watts?
Yes, sir. That was 5 watts, only 5 watts. And I'm back up to 6.5, 65 watts. Over.
Over. All right, yeah. This is amazing. Have you? How far have you got? Today with the ducking, have you got any eastern stations out there like New England?
Well, that's a good loaded question, actually. If I had my beam up and in single sideband mode, that would be no problem at all, I bet. But no, not yet. Just the Midwest so far. Been having some fun. In fact, I've come back to this repeater several times. I was over on 146520, worked a station about 60 to 70 miles out. He was Mobile, south of me, and I worked him for a little while, and then I came back to this repeater because it was full scale. Actually talked to one of my locals on your repeater up that way, so Yeah, he was running 50 watts, I was running 65, so we had two stations that are about 5 miles apart working each other through the repeater, which is about 350 miles away. So that was, I know it sounds kind of goofy and hokey, but it was kind of a funny test. Go ahead.
KD8OHS, KD0WTE. Yeah, this is amazing. No, this is the first time I've ever done any 2-meter work in the ducking type of situation. A friend of mine called me up. He's on his way up north heading up north to do some national parks type of contacts, and he let me know that you guys are on the 2-meter here. Today is my first day of full retirement, and I'm going to start to enjoy the hobby more and get around, do a few things I've always wanted to do. But Michael, I'm going to have to take and cut this short, and this will be my final. I'll let you go. You make a lot of contacts, and thank you for my first ducking contact. This is Kilo Delta 8 Oscar Hotel Sierra Clear with Kilo Delta 0 Whiskey Tango Echo.
Excellent, Frank. Thanks a lot for the contact. I've been really enjoying the ducting this morning and enjoyed our QSO. And I did take a little short video here, so I will be uploading that to YouTube. I don't know if not everybody can get on YouTube, but if you can, just search out your call sign and my call sign here. I don't know when I'll get it uploaded, but nevertheless, thanks for the contact. KD8OHS. This is KD0WTE, Echo November 41 Bravo Whiskey Clear.